Hi guys, this is Sherry here from Sherry's Art. Today I'm going to show you as to how we do an overlapping design. Overlapping design is like you make the maze design. You put first stencil, color it, you remove it. Again you put another stencil over your base design, color it and remove it. Well, it looks easy to speak, it looks nice to hear, but it's easier said than done. So if you're watching this video, I would really request you to kindly go through my earlier videos and the links I mentioned in the description box. Okay, for overlapping design, I would like to tell you a few things. Overlapping design is a little tricky thing to be done because in this, while you overlap, when you have done the first design and when you place another stencil over the main design, there are a lot of chances that you run over your base design and smudge that design. So whenever you put your another stencil over your base design, make sure you put it very gently, not just disturbing the base design. Secondly, when you pick up colors, make sure you pick up in such a way that your base design is complemented well. If you do not take proper colors, your main design will go bad, and at the end, the entire thing will be like a hodgepodge, which we don't want. So whenever you start working on your designs, you should make some homework. I'll show you how you can do that. I've got these two stencils. One of them is a heart stencil. On this, I'm going to place another stencil. So first I'll make chalk out of this stencil. And then I'll place this Happy Mother's Day on this. Like this. Okay. And I'll put it up like this. I'll make sure that I do not cover up the entire design, the base design, and also I'll make sure that when I start sprinkling colors, I do not accidentally fall on this, because when I do it, if the color falls on this design, on the base thing, it will go bad. So whenever you do it, please be very careful while you do it. Also, you should also pick up colors which complement the base design, right? And there are a lot of things that I'll tell you ahead in the video. So doing no much ado, let's begin.
Guys, so now I'm going to show you as to how we overlap a design. Overlapping design is altogether a different technique which requires a lot of practice and precision. Reason being that you are going to put another stencil over a complete design. As you can see here, I have already made a design and I'm going to put another stencil over it. So it has to be very careful. I don't want to smudge the main design. If I accidentally smudge the main design, the overlap design will not come out well. So here it takes a lot of patience. Let me tell you guys, patience is the key. When I started doing an overlapping design, I really accidentally ran into the main design and it smudged, and it's really disheartening that you work a lot of hours doing that, and then at the end you don't come out well. So it comes with practice. Don't worry guys, keep practicing. So I'll show you as to how we do an overlap design. Okay, whenever you are going to do an overlap design, please make sure that you first work out as to how you're going to place the design. So whenever you take your stencil, put it on a work area, and take another stencil and put it in, you just see where you're going to place it. Because once you place the main stencil over the main design, it's going to be over, and you have to be very careful when you lift it. So what I'm going to do is, I've already worked out as to how I'm going to do. This is the heart with roses, and I'm going to do this Happy Mother's Day. Alright, so whenever you place any design, make sure you do not smudge the main design, because if something goes wrong with the main design, your entire effort is in vain. So I'm going to place it here very strategically, very calm and quietly. Don't rush into it, be very careful. Okay, so I'm going to put it like this. Yeah. See, I've already kept this design, and I think I need to shift my design a little bit up, a stencil a little bit up here and there. So when you lift it up, please make sure you do not disturb the design, do not disturb the main rangoli down there. So I'll have to do it very carefully. I'll show you how. Did you see I just smudged it here? It was good that I smudged it on this area. I did not run over the main area, so that's nothing to worry about. Just take a sprinkler, white color sprinkler, and just sprinkle it to give a finished look. That's it. You're through. Okay, done. Okay, now this is going to be tricky here again, because now we'll take color combinations. You have to take color combinations which go well with white, with red, with the green down there, with orange and the red combination. I'm going to take a mix of particular colors. So I'm going to take this color, purple, and then I have dark pink, because purple and dark pink goes really well together. I'll also have this color, violet, to give a little dash of just to cut the main colors. I'll take blue. It's a dark blue. In the end, I'll sprinkle it with the light blue color. Yeah, I have this light blue color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all these colors and get back to you soon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you have got two ways. Either તમે colors બધા mix કરીને sprinkle કરો, અથવા તમે એક કરો. So what I'm doing it कि હું થોડા colors લઈને I'll start sprinkling around. તો મારું મેં sprinkler લીધું, this one, and I'll start sprinkling one color at a time. And you make sure કે એ વધારે પડી નહીં જાય, કે વ્હાઇટની ઉપર નહીં જાય. જરાક સાચવીને આપણે કરશું. Okay, yeah, little bit here, little bit here. Okay, now I'll take this color. ઓલવેઝ મેક શ્યોર તમે જ્યારે આવી રીતે મલ્ટિપલ કલર્સ લેવો ને ત્યારે ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે આપણે બીજા નીચેની ડિઝાઇનને ઓવરપાવર તો નથી કરતા, અથવા નીચેની ડિઝાઇન પર એક કલર એમ નીકળીને બહાર આવવો જોઈએ. ઓકે, સો રેડની ઉપર મેં પિંક જવા દીધો છે ને, સો ઇટ વિલ લુક ગુડ. નાઉ આઈ વિલ ટેક ધીસ લાઇટ બ્લુ શેડ. આઈ વિલ સ્પ્રિંકલ ઇટ હિયર, little bit here. मैं यहाँ blue એટલે લીધો કારણ કે નીચે orange છે, so orange ની ઉપર blue color will come up very nice. This thing I'm taking it over here કારણ કે यहाँ complete base white છે. કારણ કે હાર્ટનો કોઈ શેપ નથી આવતો. જો હાર્ટ શેપની ઉપર હું ડાર્ક કલર મૂકસ તો બેસી જશે. ઓકે, again I'll take this I'll take little pink, dash of pink here, then I'll go with blue here, little bit of here, there. Blue color is also something ke red, orange, green ni upar it will complement very well. See how colorful and how stunning this looks, right? તો અહીંયા જરા કલર ઓછો પડ્યો જ તો મેં એના કોર્નર્સ પર કલર નાખી દીધો, like this. Can you see that? See how colorful it is? And you know, another name of mother is color, because she brings a lot of color to our life. So I think Mother's Day no stencil karwa mate I did not find one single color. I just could find a mix of colors. Okay, this reminds me to add a little dark green here, since we are speaking of dark colors. So I thought to just add a dash of dark green here, here, a little bit of here, there, you know, just a hint of here and there, and bow વધારે પડતો નહીં, just not more, a little bit. See, it's done. Now comes the main part. Be very careful when you pick up the stencil, because if you happen to sprinkle, if you happen to be in a hurry or in haste, let me tell you, these are all mixed colors. It will pour from your gaps, and then it will make a mess of your design. So make sure you don't let it happen. But before you pick it up, make sure all the gaps are filled. As I can see here, little bit gap is here. I can see some white color here. Here also I can see a little bit of color not there. You know, best part of using mixed colors is that you can sprinkle any color anywhere, irrespective of which color you have already. Like this is blue color. Here I am going to sprinkle a little bit of a dash of dark color here. I'll take a little bit of here. See? So I like working with mixed colors. Okay, so now it's time to pick them up. See how it looks? All pretty colors around. And this is overlap design. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Do share and do like my channel. And I'll come up with more videos in future. I hope you guys are safe and happy and healthy. Stay indoors. Stay safe. Stay blessed.